Huh?
People, stop. I'm going to show your mum.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah! Oh my gosh, so not having it.
You'll get over it.
Targeting the monster! Spear! Oh my God! Reigns is speared Strowman off the stage!
Vivo fracasado y loco, es una taza. I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! Oh my God.
Bee 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 bee. Eddie?
No, I don't have a pit bull.
Knows your name and makes you feel important. We just remember you. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Good morning. How are you, baby? Good morning. Oh, she can't butt me. What are you doing? I'm scared.
This type shit I be talking about.
Lacey. Lacey?
No. No. No.
I can't even film it. Oh.
Sure, she will solve anything. She just need a little tune-up.
A dick.
Run, Taco, run! What are you doing?
Come here.
She didn't do it.
I said she should have make up.
Jesus!
Can you hold on?
Oh, okay, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe trying to make Sky get in the car. But Sky don't want to get in the car.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Tutuyor ya nöbet.
Excuse me, sir.
Run.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Hey! Bro, I can't even work out in peace, bro. What are you doing?
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker. Doing, I can see one. What is wrong with the pedigree? Oh, what a knee!
Do ba 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 do.
I got you, Sydney.
I know.
This one. I'm filming. Where did he? Oh my! Look at her.
She's riding the dog.
Oh, she's holding it.
Careful, careful.
Are you an elf? Oh my god. Do ba do ba do.
I can say that because we step on it. Oh, Basil, I'm so sorry.
Oh no! I cut his finger. Oh no, baby.
Oi, you.
Name is John C.
What?
Hello. Ow! No!
Straight out the
Oh, Chad.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop, please.
Oh no! It all went wrong.
She goes.
Don't do that.
Sideways while running the other way. Okay, ready? Okay, go get the beer. Go get the beer. Get the beer.
Oh, he's not happy.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me?
Go potty. Oh, God. She's happy for me. She's happy for me. Look, she's happy.
I'm having a conversation.
Jameson.
Oh, that's a good name. It's you, little punk. You got excited on that one.
But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away.
It's okay, don't cry.
No, boy.
Rollins with a stop to Lesnar. Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Mason!
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Need to dump it.
Then let him do it.
Why do I gotta move it? Let him do it.
Take. Oh. Oh, buddy.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Raven, show me your pretty nails. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker. But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading.
Mr. Banana is waiting.
Thank you for helping, Marty.
Buraya gel. Ne?
Alo.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh.
Who done this?
She's not supposed to be out there.
Excuse me? Ma'am? Ma'am? I think.
Oh, you want hat? Ding.
Debo mantenerme sereno para no caer en la locura.
¡Burra!
Ya tarde.
Oh no! Stop! Mom! Munchie's chicken!
I have a husky and it's 85 degrees outside. Say hi, world.
No, you jumped over these double baked potatoes.
I told my bitch I knew I needed buffer. I pulled inside the slam, I chucked it up like helicopter.
Yo, let me bust a funky lyric. Fresh new kicks and pants. You got it like that, so you know you wanna.
Really careful. Not yet.
Can we chill? Okay? She goes.
Chill.
You like the... Oh!
Bij een woonachterkant van de Hoogheuvel werd een man doodgeschoten. Op de achtergrond werd dan wel de naaste sluit gekomen.
Honey. Oh, God. Are you... Oh.
What's your problem? Are you gonna square up with me?
Come on, bitch. Come on. Get out. Come on. Everybody get out. Come on. Cause I'm getting at the too. I'm getting at the too.
Oh, no, bro.
That's it. Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream.
Busy.
What? Kylo, come on. Chloe. Paco! Paco!
Oh my God! What is that?
You don't have to be scared of the kitty. Come on. It's okay. It's just a kitty. Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Watch it again! And I'll make you Oh my God!
Gentle. Oh my God.
And there you go. Oops. Stretches. Oh, yeah.
Was that necessary? Yep, I did catch you. I did.
Look at this absolute creature. Oh! Oh!
What you doing, George? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, there it is.
You look like you've seen some things. Do you need a hug or maybe a little tuna?
Oh no! Oh no, Big Daddy! Hey! All right.
Oh meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
Like, arguably, one of the ugliest cats.
Say that you love me.
Go off.
Hey! Oh! You scared me! Jesus! Flying, Carlitos. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know. Can't touch this.
Thank you for helping, Marty.
Honey, it's so...
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
I'm sorry.
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky.
Brules na lira.
Fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time.
Wait.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Let go. Wait! Let go.
No. No, no. No.
Okay.
Oh, big stretch, but...
The start button. I'm started. Oh, yeah.
Scout. You better move.
Can you take this? Can you take? Hang on, hang on.
We're going. You bite me.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Búscala aquí. Esa palabra la vamos a buscar aquí. No se te olvide. Esa. Acá.
Sit. Sit.
My God! Help me!
You don't like it. Come here, champ.
I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro. Why is she so scared?
Come here.
Good.
Oh my god!
puts a deep end, he pulls a long back over his nose.
I'm coming. Here I come. You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Good boy, Kenneth. Hello, Mum.
Good girl!
Oh my goodness. Look at your little face. Hello. Ow! No!
Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond? What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, Venus, you can do it. Come on, Venus. Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
Young man, what are you doing? Young man.
อย่าไปสอนลูกอีเต้นมั้งเต้น